Namaskar, Khushamadid, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us for this special afternoon where we will be witnessing something truly ingenious, something very special, and actually witnessing a milestone in the journey of Power Gummies. But before we do that, Power Gummies is a brand about hair and nails. Power Gummies has really revolutionized the way nutrition is consumed, breaking the norms of a conventional tablet, which looks like a medicine, to creating these absolutely delicious, delectable gummies, which come with the goodness of biotin, folic acid, and 10 essential vitamins for radiating hair and nails. I'd like to invite Mr. Divij Bajaj, the founder and CEO of Power Gummies.
Thank you so much for such a nice introduction, Ridhima. It feels really nice for me having someone on board which believes the concept as much as I do. It's a different experience altogether. And what started with just my mom's story when she used to hate pills, I thought that why can't vitamins give you happiness along with health, led me to the innovation of Power Gummies. And that's actually the mantra for the business. Health powered by happiness and backed by science.
Yes.
And it is amazing to see so much response, so much love from everybody and from our Power Gummies fans. And it is great to have someone on board now who shares the equal amount of love, someone I admire a lot, someone who is everyone's favorite. I don't think there's anybody who is not touched upon by her presence, someone we really adore.
Yeah.
I would really like to welcome the new face for the gummies, Shraddha Kapoor.
Woohoo!
Hi everyone. Hello everybody. I hope everyone's safe. It's super exciting to be here. Hi Divij. Hi everyone.
Hi Shraddha.
So, considering Shraddha is here and Divij is here, and we have like a lot of questions both about the brand and about this partnership. So I'm very excited about this. Divij, I'm going to start off the question and the conversation with you.
Sure.
So, creating Power Gummies must have been a lot of experiment and thought experimentation of its own. And now you have built a brand that where from your experiments of trying muffins and trying different formats into gummies. And then at what point did you think I need a brand ambassador? And how did you finalize that, okay, Shraddha is going to be my brand ambassador? What attributes of her personality made you feel that she's perfect for the brand?
So we really actually thought of then expanding brand audience. And to do that, we thought that, we need someone that can touch down the lives and somebody who everybody loves, somebody who has a great presence and can give us a great brand push in terms of awareness. And who other than Shraddha? I mean, everybody loves Shraddha. I'm a big fan of hers. And she really admires the idea of Power Gummies. That's where we thought that, if it has to be anybody, it has to be Shraddha.
Interesting. And Shraddha, if I may ask you, what made you say a yes to this proposition and what made you believe in the concept of Power Gummies?
I think a lot of us don't like taking supplements or vitamins and just popping pills because we find it challenging. We find it cumbersome. We're like, oh, we have to take that pill or it doesn't taste good. And then, most of us don't end up having our essential minerals and vitamins because of that reason. So I was one of those people. And when I had a Power Gummy, I was just like, that's it. This is the way I'm going to get all the essential vitamins for my hair and nails in this manner. And it's so fun. It's so tasty. And the most amazing thing is also that it's so convenient,
All right. So Shraddha feels it's a perfect feel for everybody, be it an actress or a working person or people who are stuck perpetually in front of their virtual world. Divij, my question to you is, in the world where we all want instant gratification, like, putting that dry shampoo, getting that look, how much time does Power Gummy take to show the impact and for them to build this trust? Oh my God, this is working. How much time does it take?
So Ridhima, these are vitamins and vitamins are not like shampoo. Vitamins take time. They slowly adjust your metabolism. They slowly adjust the inner body mechanisms. And that's when they start to kick results. So with power gummies, typically that we saw with the clinical trials is that with 30 days of consumption, you start to see little bit of results. With 45 days of consumption, that's when the metabolism has shifted. So you start to see more results more frequently. After 60 days, the body has completely adapted. Now the body knows that you're getting these vitamins on a regular basis, and this is not something that was just given to the body on a superficial day. So now it becomes a regular habit of the body of consuming these vitamins and showing the appropriate results. So by the time you keep taking them for 90 days is when you start to see the best and the optimum level of results. And that's why we say this, that it's a journey for 90 days. So 90 days to gorgeous hair. That's the slogan that we keep saying to everybody.
90 days to gorgeous hair with great taste. So I think it's a win-win deal for all. Shraddha, I want to also know from you, you said, when you popped these power gummies in your mouth, you loved it because of the taste and the fact that it was very yum. Apart from that, what aspects about this product will lead you to recommend this power gummies to your friends, your relatives? Would you recommend it in the first place, and why?
Absolutely, I would. That's why I'm the face of power gummies. It is the power gummies resonates with me very, very deep. I feel like the only reason to be a part of, or rather be a face of a brand, is also I consciously use it. So so I think that I don't even have to tell people to use it. I think it's already out there now. And me being a part of the Power Gummies family is enough to say that, this is something that I imbibe in my life, and it's been great for me. So hope that it's great for you as well.
And how long have you been chewing these gummies, Shraddha, if I may ask?
Exactly from the day that I received it in December.
That's why I can see the shine, Shraddha, which is exactly why I asked you. Cause and effect, Dexter Laboratories.
But I've been following the 90-day cycle. So that's exactly what I'm following, because that's the way it's supposed to be had. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Divij, I want to know from you, getting Shraddha on board is the first step of creating this brand association. What are your plans for Power Gummies as a whole? What are the future plans that behold for Power Gummies?
I think when it comes to the association, we are really positive that it is going to get us a lot of brand awareness, and we'll be able to spread the message that we have, that, vitamins is just not something you got to be afraid of. It's something that gives you health along with happiness. This whole message will now float to pan India, because Shraddha has a lot of followers, and we're actually not expecting anything else. Our only aim is to just get out there, tell people that, you don't have to pop in boring pills when you have something this interesting available. And when it comes to the brand and what we hold in future, we have our period pain gummies who have completed its clinical trial, and we'll soon be launching them. Awesome. Then we have a very nice variant, which is gummies for skin, that have completed their clinical trials, and we'll be launching them soon. Other than that, we have 40 more variants that within a span of 3 to 4 years, everybody will get to enjoy. So we'll touch base any problem that you have with the solution of tasty, nice gummies.
Guys, before we wrap up, I'd want Divij and Shraddha, you to share one concluding thought with all our viewers, with everyone at large. Divij, I'll begin with you, and then I'll conclude with Shraddha.
I'll just say, keep smiling, guys, keep having water, and keep having and enjoying your dose of Power Gummies.
Shraddha, a concluding thought by you.
Absolutely. I would like to say that a couple of my favorite parts about Power Gummies is that they are vegan. And I really, really hope that whoever's getting on, whoever's going to be buying Power Gummies enjoys having them, relishes them. They're super tasty, and looking forward to great, great results for their beautiful hair and beautiful nails.
All right. Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you so much, Divij. Thank you so much for your time, and enjoy your gorgeous hair and nails in about 90 days. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.